Hey guys, it's Josh with No Dad, No Problem, featuring how-tos, interviews, and reviews you can use. So in today's video, we're just going to be replacing a toilet seat in a bathroom. So what we're going to do is I'm going to kind of show you guys how it's connected, how to take it off, how to put the new one on, and that'll be about it. So I went out and I bought a new toilet seat. I got this from my local big box hardware store. It cost me about $5. So it's got the seat, the cover, and it should have the mounting screws inside too. So I'll unbox that. I won't show that. Here we have the old seat, and my son has managed to draw on it. And the way that this is connected is it's basically there's two screws that are holding it in. So you're going to need a screwdriver in order to loosen it. And on the undersides of those screws, there's nuts. I'll flip the camera over and I'll show you guys that. So as you can see, there's some plastic nuts that are holding the screws in place. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our screwdriver and we're going to unscrew these. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And then I'm going to reach down underneath and make sure that the nut is completely loosened and pull it out. Like that. I'm going to hold on to this mounting hardware because this mounting hardware may be better than the stuff that came with the new toilet seat. We'll see. All right, so now that it's unscrewed, we're just going to remove it. Just like that. I'm going to use my Clorox wipes and I'm going to clean that area where it's mounted. No, just for cleanliness sake. Okay. So then what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to take my new toilet seat, flip it up, make sure, and I'm looking to align the holes. So I've aligned the holes and we can see that the new screws are going to have a perfectly straight drop down. So now that I have the holes aligned, I'm going to take the bolts. Just going to drop them in there, straight down. And then I'm going to take the nuts and I'm going to just reach underneath, feel where the bolt is, and give the nut a couple of twists up, just to make sure it's secured. Okay, now that it's on there and secured, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my screwdriver, I'm going to reach back under, I'm going to hold the nut, I'm going to just tighten the bolts at the top. Same thing on the other side. I want to make sure that they are snug and secure, but not overly tightening it. They're cheap plastic, I don't want to break them. But that's not going anywhere. Put that down. And we're done. So as you can see, you can swap out your toilet seat in less than 5 minutes, and really all you need is a screwdriver. If this video has helped you in any way, please consider leaving us a like. Comment down below on any problems you've run into, anything around the house you'd like to see videos made of. Subscribing to the channel helps our channel grow, and ringing the bell will give you notifications when we upload new content. Most importantly, be well, be blessed, be loved, be safe out there, and have the best day ever.